Configuring the uScope to measure motors with brushes. To set this scope up to do an electric motor, such as a fuel pump or a radiator fan, we're going to come over here and we're going to use amperage, and we're going to use 100 to 1. So we have to move over to our menu, and we're going to come down to vertical, and we're going to come down to probe calibration and use the left or right arrow buttons until we find the 100 to 1 amperage setting and press OK. The amperage setting down here needs to be set to 2 amps, so let's go down to 2 amps, and we're going to leave that on 5 milliseconds per division, and we want the position to be at a +1 from the bottom, or a +1 graduation. Our trigger is going to be set at auto, and our trigger amperage here is going to be set at 6 amps. So let's move that up to 6 amps right there, and we want to have that on the rise. We're going to also have our horizontal trigger in the center of the screen, and we're going to have our invert off. We do want to turn our meters on, so let's come on over here and go to our meters. So we want to have the average. I'm looking for the average amperage, so I know approximately what the amperage is for that motor that's going through there, and we're going to turn that on. And now we just need to make sure to use our amp clamp, and we will go ahead and save this. So let's save this. So we get a 0.71, so we're going to write that down at 0.71. Now we can go over to the car, and we can connect up, we can modify these as needed, and then we're going to save it one more time so we can get a reference file.